Well, I listened to the feedback and I've changed my camera angle. Anyway, Owen Park, Formula Ford 1600. Let's see if we can do okay. Not bad qualifying, not the best, but not bad. Looks like we're getting away okay. Just get into this slipstream. This first corner is very tricky, particularly with cold tyres. So let's just get in. I had been coming down to first for these first two corners, and I've been trying it in second, and I'm not sure if it's better or worse, but it feels okay. Felt first was just too low, but this I've been doing in second anyway, but the other one. So I recorded this race before and I had a problem with the sound, and the sound was awful. I sort of tried to do something with my voice in post-production, but it didn't really work, so I'm doing it again. It was a good race I had last time. I'm hoping to have another good one, although a bit of an off track there. But let's see if we can at least keep with the leaders and have a decent lap, decent race. Keep them on the straight. Anyway, I think we're losing the guys behind, aren't we? Bit of an incident behind as well, but I think we're leaving them behind. So the test will be this first corner, really. If I can get, if I can do this okay.
There's an incident behind.
Not kill myself. Okay, well that guy went in a bit deep, didn't he?
What are you doing?
Yeah, I think second's okay. These two are really battling, aren't they? It's letting the leader get away a little bit. It's quite a handful, this car around here.
10 minutes to go.
I'm finding. We are being caught by the guys behind. Or by one of the guys behind, anyway. Had to ease off there because we were going wide. So we've got this guy behind, closing in. Car number 1, Javier. Wonder if he's going to try and make a move. Don't know, the leader is getting away a little bit. I'm down to first there because I wasn't getting stopped. I thought I was going to lose it then. We're definitely on the edge on this track. And I don't know if second's better or not there. Oh, I don't get the exit. Got a decent exit that time though. Got a bit more space this time as well. And so I took that corner a bit better, but I didn't. I got off track again. Certainly pushing the edges of the track. There's no respite here, even on this straight, really. Because I'm getting sort of getting ready for the next corner. I don't think I've done a valid lap yet, have I? Fastest lap, but wasn't valid, so.
Just set the fastest lap. 10.279.
Yeah, he's been looking a bit wayward through there, hasn't he? I'm thinking first is probably better. I'm thinking I'm not getting stopped as well as I was when I was going down to first. But and I'm watching that guy looking at my insides, so that slowed me right down. Want to catch these two if I can. Bit better that time. Not that bit though. And that's slowed me right down, hasn't it? I had to defend. And it slowed me right down. So question is,
10.
Can I defend into this corner?
Right side. The car in
God,
T1
three wide. Look at this.
Just set the fastest lap. 10.09.
Well, I'm not gonna get involved in that.
Still there, hold your line. You're now in third. Stay on the left.
He's still there, isn't he? Bugger.
Keep to the left. Clear on the right.
Okay, well, I got these two to battle with now then. Didn't want that. I was hoping to get third. Ah, bugger. I got a bit overcommitted there. Okay, let's close back up. Let's close back up and get by. I think I can get by them. I think I'm quicker. I just lost out having to defend. So that one mistake. Put my fan on. I hope people prefer this new angle again. I didn't realise I was giving everyone the finger until I watched it back, and then I can see exactly what people are saying. But I'd already recorded 2 videos, so I couldn't change it immediately. So is second better? I think it's a bit more speed round the corner. I don't know if it's better coming out. Maybe. I think it's better when I'm not battling. I don't know if maybe I should just stay in second round there. Not sure. So they're pushing right to the edge, aren't they? Which is good. If they're struggling. We're all going pretty quick, actually, aren't we?
5 minutes to go.
I think this might be a back marker. He's a bad exit there. Is this a back marker? I think it is.
New fast
Thank you.
lap for you. Car on your left. The leader is running 10.949. Clear.
Yeah, number one really overcommitted there. Oh gosh, what did he do then? He wasn't looking, was he? Hit the wall. Has he got any damage? Can't see that he has. So it's definitely a fight for third, isn't it, rather than first here. So I don't know if second is better or not, actually. So where am I going to go by then? Okay, he's brushed the wall. We've got a slipstream. He's going to go up the inside, I think. So there could be some action here. And he's gone off, hasn't he? Can I do an up and under? No, I can't. I thought he'd gone off a bit further than he had. I thought he'd be on the grass, but he wasn't. Yeah, second might be better. A bit more stability. They are a handful though. We're only ever one corner away from disaster. Or one curb away from disaster. Pretty closely matched, aren't we? Leaders have got away, they're quicker. They're like going quite a bit quicker than us now. My best is a 10-1, but They're not helping each other. Need a mistake, really. Let me clean my windscreen or my visor. There we go. I've seen people get annoyed when I don't do that. It's all the mud they're chucking up. Where are we going to go? Not enough slipstream, really. Though he's got another good run.
The car in P2 just set the fastest lap. 9.832.
There they are.
They say you cut the course. You'll have to slow down and give up the time gained. Clear on the right.
Okay. Well, that was unlucky. That's a shame. I was trying to avoid hitting the guy ahead. So this guy here, what's he doing? Can we at least get back to where we were? I don't know if we will.
White flag, white flag.
Oh, one lap too less, I think. I think if I had another lap, I'd catch this guy.
The car behind is closing on you. The gap is 2.5 seconds.
4x as well, that's annoying. How frustrating. Well, there might be some action ahead, you never know. I think third is better around it. It's a bit less stable, but it's quicker. Not enough. Not quite enough. That's a shame. Will it be my best lap though? Possibly. Well. Was that a better race than the one I had videoed? I think it probably was. There was a bit more action.
Right, there's the checkered
I
flag.
came third in the last race, so not as good a result,
Great job.
but
You did really
fun.
well.
Okay, here we go then. Here's the start. Let's see what happened then. So a bit of action behind by the looks of it. Oy, oh dear. That is close, wasn't it? Lucky not to hit him there. Then what have we got? Oh, come on. I mean, that's just bloody rubbish. What kind of driver does that? That's just very bad driving. For goodness sake. Oh dear. Yeah. Yeah, just came in too quick. This is just going too wide. Catch the curb. Easily done. Yeah, that's the guy that caused that other accident. So then that was top split out of 6. Managed to get a little bit of safety rating, which is good. I need it. Lost a tiny bit of I rating, so not so bad. Lap time wise, so the best was a 9.8, 9.9. So the leaders were going really quick. My best was a 10.1. Guy ahead did a 9.9, so he was quick. So 10.1, that's the quickest I've been for a while. I think I can just about get into the 9s, but obviously didn't do it this race. So yeah, good race. I quite enjoyed that, and hopefully the sound works as well. So do let me know if there's a problem or not. And yeah, if you do like this sort of thing, then do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.